this is what we're using on the seats to get the bubbles off. We've done it on the passenger seat here, which was very bad, and now it's in pretty good condition. You can just see obviously when you move it, the suede changes colour, but that was really bad, and that looks pretty good now. Was Mum using it with that on?
I don't know, Chris, I won't watch it.
But there, you can see how bad that is, look. I don't know if she was using it with this little thing on. This was off Amazon, it was a tenner, I think. Let me just go over the bubbles. You just have to take your time with it. Took about 15 minutes to get that one looking nice and smooth. So I'll just go over it, not too much pressure, and it'll remove the bubbles. And then I'll come back once I've gone over it for a while, and we'll see what it looks like. So we've gone over the seats now. You can see it's removed pretty much all of it, and now it's super smooth, and you can just see that it changes colour when you move it. But now that is as it should be. It's difficult to show on the camera simply because of the colour variations, but you can see there's all the little bubbles. There's a few little ones about, look, you can see them there. You can't see that one with the naked eye though in here, but you can see it on the camera. Just keep going over it. There you go, they've gone. Just keep going over it, they'll be gone. But that looks pretty good. We'll do the passenger, the rear seat there, and then that's all done. And it's another thing completed on the car. The speaker grills also looked a bit manky. When the car's been leaking through the roof over time and things get damp, the speakers grills start to get a bit rusty. So just take them off and painted them like that, and it makes a big difference just when you open the door to see a grill like that rather than an orange rusty grill. This one's pretty bad on the other side. Look, you can see all the pilling on there. So I'll go over that one, trust the machine, and then come back on top. You can see already that it's getting much better. We've just got to go around a different directions to try and get it to pick it up. But it will get it, and it does make it look and feel much nicer. So I'll continue that, but you can see the difference we're making there. So for a tenner, this is about. While I'm doing the headliner on this one, I'm just checking the sunroof to make sure they don't leak. What we've found is it's full of leaves and all sorts of shiznit. So that's just been scraped out. Just pull the seal out. The seal's still relatively soft, eh?
Yeah.
So we've pulled the seal out. We'll just clean all that crap out from there, and then we tip water down into the corners of the sunroof, and hopefully it'll drain down the A pillar and out the bottom by the wing. So we'll see if that happens once it's all cleaned out and the sunroof sorted and closed back up. Just another job. Back to my job. Doing this. Well, we're getting the headliner done today as well. I'll give it a couple of coats of this truck bed liner. Dries textured and matte, so all these shiny bits will dry matte, and it comes out nice, as you've seen from our previous ones that we've done.
I don't know what it is.
It's a belt of a washing machine.
Hi.
It's the sunroof seal, needs cleaning. I'm going to clean that out so we can sort the sunroof out.
Right, shut up. Just how you can see that it's leaking.
I was going to show you how you can see where the sunroof leaks from if it's not broken, and we've just got a drip. And I ain't talking about the one with the torch, I'm talking about the one covering the thing.
This is the part that they put on, but you can see when you move it.
Yeah, I can see. You can see it sort of squidging out of the little gaps there.
There, yeah, you can see it.
It's just bonded on, eh?
Yeah, and this one looks like it's broke there as well on the.
Oh yeah, you can see it just coming out there.
Yeah.
So we're just gonna have to put some sealant around it like we have on the other one. And we've done this before, and it will stop it. It's the age of it, eh?
Yeah, this when you warm this up to dry it goes quite brittle, and you can pick it off. But that one, I've cleaned that one all off already, dried it out, cleaned it and sealed it. So that one, when that's dry, that'll be fine. But we'll test it again before the liner goes back in.
Because we have tested, we've put water into the tray, and it does run out down the bottom of the wing there, so it's definitely draining there, blocked. But any water that just sits there that doesn't drain out drips out that thing, don't we?
Yeah, but we did have to do the. We took the rubber seal out.
Oh, yeah.
This had sat under a tree somewhere,
And it was full.
and it was absolutely full of leaves and bits.
Yeah.
So,
So-
we took that out and cleaned it all.
Clean your seal, and then when you've got your headliner out, you do have to take the headliner out to get to this, unfortunately. Then check, pour some water down. If they're blocked, unblock them. If they are blocked and you've got drips, then do that, because people might check with the headliner in. They might just check by pouring water down and it coming out at the bottom down there, but they still might be getting water dripping through here and eventually working its way down and causing the headliner to come down or causing water in the corners. Because over months and months of rain sitting there, you'll get quite a lot of water dripping through them.
Yeah.
Because I mean, it was dripping directly onto the seat when we first did it.
Yeah, this one was. But
And there was a
also-
fair puddle after a minute or so.
When it drips onto this pipe here, when it's coming around this pipe,
Runs.
it tracks all the way down the
Yeah.
pillar there,
Yeah.
and then it drips down there, and that's when you get the soggy carpet.
So that's a thing to look out for and a thing to watch when you're doing the sunroofs. Goodbye.